was a city made by Merryman 10, as I did not know about Tranquility City. The lift is so slow. Oh, is it Draco Games is live? As I do know about Draco Games. I just also met him in YouTube and I also met him in real life. as I'm constipated, I just coughed. As you are listening to the video. Oh God! Oh, at least I'm kind of safe. I just survived and I did not do a game over in this lift all time of today. And now to the glass lift way to express to the Tranquility Restaurant. As these lifts are very fast and I cannot see anything when they are going up. These borders, what to say, they are in windows. As I now arrived to 42. Oh well, at least long way down. Woohoo! That is so much fun to be in this simulation tower. As these lifts are very kind of great and very faster. As I do not know about this building that I just said. Oh. Anyways, and now to the service lift. The first service lifts go from ground floor to 42nd. So, as I did not know about it is building as roof or something. As I was watching to go in here and buy the lift, including the service lift. Oh, wow, very nice arrows. Oh, God. There is the door button, but there's no lighting. So let's deactivate the door button. So I don't know why to hold the doors. As I'm constipated very much. But I'm not really that sick. And now to the freight service lifts. Oh wow, they're so big. So they have no size levels. pictures all the way up in 40 seconds. That is so much fun. And these are they're really kind of interesting. Let's go to ground. And the door's closing. It is such an awesome car that the Sebs live have, with very advanced settings and very old walls. As I didn't know about, these settings are very kind of old. They are made by Philips. The light bulbs are being made by Philips, as you did not know about. So, thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe.